What's up, everybody? Redsix Mustang channel here. Boom! No, I lied. That is not the one-piece aluminum drive shaft that I was supposed to get. It's holiday season, and it's a lot of money, and I didn't want to spend that much money coming into the holidays. But I did get myself a little something from the good folks at American Muscle and Modular Mustang Design. I got the side scoops, so I'm gonna go put those on and show you what they look like. My car will be one more step to exterior badassery. Step one, open the box. Step two, free the contents. Be free. That's good. Step three, you want to make sure that you adhesion promote and add your 3M tape. Thank you, babe. Step, what is this, 4? Wipe down the application area. Wipe it down. Alright, so I've got the tape off. I'm gonna put... Oh, fuck. Just kidding. So, like...
No.
Here and here?
Higher, no?
It's on now. Well, since I know it might be a while before I see you guys again, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy New Year. I'm going to keep working on the car, keep doing mods. I'm not going to call out which one is going to be next. I've already learned my lesson. I've already got hit up. When are you going to do the drive shaft? It's the next one I want to do. But, you know, like I said, I went and got something else. Anyway, peace, guys.